Crafting irresistible titles and book covers is what will make your book stand out on Amazon. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and why these elements are key to boosting your KDP sales. This episode, we're going to delve into the art of persuasion, psychology, and design. First up, let's delve into the story of Sophie and how she crafted irresistible titles. You see, Sophie is an educator who creates educational workbooks and dreamt of her books topping the Amazon charts. Despite her hard work, her sales were stagnant. That was until she discovered the formula for crafting irresistible titles. Sophie began by researching top-selling books in her genre on Amazon. She also used Helium-10 and took advantage of their 2 free daily searches to analyze the most successful keywords. Sophie noticed a pattern. Bestsellers use specific action words and benefit-driven phrases. Sophie formulated her book titles using a structure optimized for Amazon's algorithm and human psychology. For instance, her educational workbook was titled Master Math, Fun and Engaging Workbooks to Boost Your Child's Grades. Here's how she created that title. You see, the action words master and boost invoke action. The benefit-driven words, fun and engaging, appeal to parents looking for enjoyable learning tools for their children. The psychology behind that title is the promise of better grades, which triggers a strong emotional response from parents wanting the best for their kids. You see, Sophie's titles was concise but impactful, around 5 to 7 words. This length ensures clarity and immediate understanding. Also, the key benefits and action words were strategically placed at the beginning and end of the title to grab attention. Her subtitle complemented the title by providing additional value and clarity. For example, comprehensive exercises and games for ages 6 to 8 made it clear who the book was for and what it offered. You see, Sophie's approach turned her sales around. By using targeted keywords, action words, and benefit-driven phrases, her titles became irresistible. Remember, your title is your first impression. Make it count. Now that you've seen how impactful the right title can be, if you're serious about mastering the art of self-publishing on Amazon KDP, check out my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Click the first link in the description. Now that we've unraveled the secrets behind compelling titles, let's delve into the visual appeal of your book, the book cover. Just like the title, the cover is a powerful tool to boost your sales. And this is where I go into the story of Alex and the power of a captivating book cover. You see, Alex is a graphic designer turned self-published author, and her belief is that a book cover is its most crucial selling point. And you know what? Alex is 100% correct with his belief. Research shows that a well-designed cover can increase sales by up to 50%. Alex knew that human behavior is deeply influenced by visual stimuli. He utilized color theory to design his book covers that matched the theme of his books. For example, when designing his educational workbooks for kids, he would use color combinations such as blue and yellow because it balances calmness with attention-grabbing appeal, red and white because it energizes while providing clarity and contrast, black and yellow because it offers high contrast for readability and impact, green and white because it creates a fresh and inviting look, orange and blue because it's dynamic, vibrant, and evokes excitement and balance. Also, Alex understood that in the Western world, the eye scans from the left to right and the top to bottom. So Alex placed the most critical elements of his book cover, i.e. the title and an intriguing image, in these prime spots. You see, I like to call these prime real estate. His designs always drew the attention to the center of the action, ensuring that the potential buyers couldn't help but click on his book. You see, Alex emphasized that knowing how to communicate your vision to a designer is even more powerful than doing it yourself. By clearly conveying the theme, tone, and key elements, Alex ensured that his covers captured the essence of his books and appealed to his target audience. Alex's success was due to understanding of design principles and human psychology. You see, a book cover isn't just a pretty picture, it's a tool to attract and persuade potential buyers. In both cases, Sophie and Alex turned their KDP sales around by mastering titles and covers. Now, for you as a self-published author on Amazon, these strategies can make all the difference. Your title and book cover are your book's first impressions. So that's within your interest to make them irresistible. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies that are designed for maximum learner retention, empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights, and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. What's the most challenging part of crafting your book title and cover? Put your answers in the comments below. So the key points for you to remember is: 1. Use targeted keywords, action words, and benefit-driven phrases in titles. 2. Keep titles concise but impactful, 5 to 7 words. For keyword research, utilize Helium 10 and the 2 free daily searches they provide. 4. Design covers with color theory and Western eye scanning patterns in mind. 5. Communicate your vision clearly to a graphic designer or use what you have learned in this video. By following these principles, you can enhance your book's discoverability and appeal, driving higher sales and achieve your publishing dreams. Until next time.